Hello, future professional traders. It's Angels FX with you guys. Today, it's the last session for our chapter 1. So, this video will be about putting all together that we have learned. And let's read this example, okay? So how we can entry trades and what we have learned, okay, overall. So, this is one of the strongest entry modules that personally I use. So I don't wait for any confirmations for lower time frame and etc. We will talk more about this, but let's start. So what we have here, what is this? This is our liquidity sweep, okay? So this is our lower, no, this is our higher low. This was our higher high, and what happened after we broke this higher low? We had our change of character, okay? So we went down and printed lower low. So this is changing shift, okay? Confirming that the sellers are in control. Buyers were in control here, but sellers became stronger. This is supply swept liquidity, and that's what it makes more valid, okay? Also, this did not break any low. This, okay? So this was just smart money trap. So guys, after we formed this high printed new low, okay? So we also swept liquidity, gave us new low, and we had inefficiency in the market. When we have inefficiency in the market, also known as imbalance, price needs to fill these zones, okay? So what price was generating this type of move, okay? But this is internal structure, okay? Yes, many of you will say this is like higher, like higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But we did not broke this high. If price breaks this high and goes up, okay, say we have change of character and we should look for longs, but we did not break this high. This high broke the low and pretty no new low, okay? So that's why we are looking for shorts. This is inducement. Why this one is inducement? Because we have breakout structure here, we have liquidity sweep here, and many people will say that this is our change of character and we can enter from here. But no, we have inefficiency above, and this supply, we know that this one is valid because of the reasons that we have said, okay? That's why this is just smart money trap. Price needs liquidity. Also here liquidity was created because price needs full the move, okay? So this is just full. Price needs to take this full so price can move, okay? This is inducement, smart money trap. Many smart money traders, even smart money traders and many traders would enter from here, but it's trap for early sellers, okay? So let's go to the chart. So we are here in the chart, as we can see. What we have now, we have this liquidity sweep here, as you can see, as you would agree. And after we swept this liquidity, we had our change of character, okay? Also known as breakout structure, but this is our change of character because this high gave us new low, okay? It also swept this liquidity below, and we have our new range, okay? So this is our new lower high, okay? So where is our supply zone? Right here. I will wait for you guys. Correct. This is our supply zone. Why? Because this is our last buying candle before the price dropped. So this is our 30-minute supply zone. Also, what we can see here, we have inefficiency here. Nice, guys. Okay, it's our imbalance. And look at this. Price is giving us liquidity. Why? Because we have one touch, two touch, second touch. Okay, so many people would enter from here. Okay, but you know, price will take this out. So let's wait. Boom. We got mitigated. So we would enter from here. Our entry would be here. Our stop loss here. And where would be our take profit? I will wait for you guys. Correct. This would be our take profit. Why? Because we have this range from here to here. Okay, so this is our range, and also we have liquidity here. The price needs to sweep. Let's wait. our take profits got smashed. Okay, this is how easy it really is. Okay, guys. Also, smart. Where is our smart money trap and inducement here? Why? Because many traders would enter from here. Okay, this is our smart money trap. As you can see, price disrespected this order block, and this was just smart money trap. Easy, guys. So you should always be patient, and you should always wait, because this is just smart money trap for early sellers. Okay, and let's see if we had the opportunity to enter from lower time frame. If you want, I will show example. Okay, let's see. So we had our liquidity sweep. It's same, guys, all the time frames. Okay, it's always same. So this is our liquidity sweep, and this is our valid supply zone. Okay, this last selling buying candle. Let's mark our supply zone. Okay, but this is our, okay, this whole zone. This is our indecisional candle. Okay, we had our imbalance here, and boom, what happened? We had our change of character. After we broke this low, I would be interested to take shorts. Okay, after we take break this low. Okay, so this confirms that we changed the trend. So price was moving bullish, as you can see. Price was printing higher highs and higher lows, and from here price shifted and gave us bearish momentum. That's why we can enter shorts. But as you can see, price did not came here. No problem. Let's wait for another opportunity. But it's our 30-minute supply zone, so I would go to 3-minute. I will talk more about this like in chapter 2. So here we can see, yeah, it's saying this 3-minute, but no problem. We missed, but there is no problem. After we had our change of trajectory right here, where we can re-entry, okay? Right here. Why? Let's return price here. Okay. So why? If we go to 1 minute, we can see that we get our liquidity sweep here and change the trajectory. And we have this nice, beautiful indecision candle. Okay, let's mark as supply. And we can enter from here. Why we can enter from here and not here? Because this is already mitigated. See, this is mitigated. And this is just internal structure, okay, guys? Because look at this. This is our candle range. This is internal move. So there is no imbalance. Yes, many people will say this is our imbalance, but no, this is just internal structure. Okay. And also this candle broke this low and gave us major change of character. So this is real and valid move and candle. So we would enter from here. Our stops maybe here or here, it depends on you guys, okay? But personally I would use 2 pips and take profit, same guys as we said in long term. Okay, so here this range. Okay, so this is 1 to 12. Amazing. Let's see if we get mitigated. Finally we got mitigated. We also had this imbalance right here. Let's mark imbalance. Boom, it's same with all the like time frames. Okay, again we broke the structure right here and we could enter from here. Okay, boom, this is just continuation trades. 2 pip stop loss here. Again our take profit would be same guys. Let's continue. So if I want to enter, okay, let's delete this right quick. If I want to enter more trades, I need to break this low. Okay, if I did not break this low, I would not add any entries. Okay, because if we break this low, it means that sellers are in control and we can re-enter. So let's wait. So let's delete this liquidity. We know that we have liquidity right here. Okay, so we printed this low and we had our change of character right here. Not change of character, guys, sorry. We had our breakout structure. So Why this one is breakout structure? Because this candle swept this highs, as you can see. So we had this type of liquidity, and price broke this low. So where is our supply zone? This candle is already mitigated, as you can see, and we have no inefficiency. And let's mark this supply zone because we have inefficiency, and this is our last buying candle. This is our imbalance. We would enter from here, and our stop loss, it depends on you guys. You can set here or here. Take profit, same. Okay. So originally we know that we entered from here. This was plus 4.5, easy. And let's continue. Look at this. Look at this top, okay? You should know. Okay, if you want to re-enter again, another. This is our breakout structure where we can enter from. I would be interested in this candle, okay? Because no, sorry guys, because imbalance was filled. So you should always be in control. So this inefficiency is filled. So I would not be interested. We had this minor breakout structure here, okay? But we don't have inefficiency in the market. So I would not enter from here. Let's continue. Boom. Yes, like look at this. We did not enter from here. But we had, sorry guys, look at this. We had our minor imbalance. Why I have missed this, I don't know. So maybe it's nighttime sleeping. So we had our inefficiency here, as you can see. Can you see guys here? Look, okay. So this is our inefficiency. And this was our order book. So you would enter from here, our stop loss minimum 2 pips, and take profit same. Easy. Same guys, always same. Again, we have our liquidity sweep right here, and we have breakout structure down here. Where is our order book? This whole zone, but this is big. Let's see how many pips if we enter from here. 3 pips. Nice, no problem. I would enter from here. 3 pips is not big. It give us 1 to 6 risk reward. Let's wait. The price tags us. So again, we have our breakout structure. And let's tell me, like, from here to here, where is our inducement, like in this zone? Correct, this is our inducement. Why? Because we have inefficiency right here. Let's mark, and this low gave us, this high gave us new low. So this is smart money trap inducement. Okay, so I would not enter from here. Let's wait. The price, also this one also was smart money trap. Many people would enter from here, but we have unmitigated order block right here. Okay, so this is our supply zone. Let's mark. This is our supply zone. Valid. This is not valid because we have inefficiency here. So you would lose if you would enter from here. Look again, price sweep this low and price, let's see if this was used as smart money trap. Yes, look at this. This is our smart money trap, guys. Easy. Nothing happens unlogically, okay, in the market. You should know how market moves and why market does the moves that it does. I didn't knew, okay, like if price would come here, to be honest, but look, we have smart money trap here. Price will take this out and then give us nice and real move. I think we missed this one, but no problem, guys, no problem. At least we did not lose from here, okay? Because this was our smart money trap. So this is our inducement. So what price have done? Price has swept this whole order books, okay? Because many people entered from here, okay? Let's mark smart money trap right here. Boom. Let's wait. So again, we had our breakout structure right here. Where is our order block? Boom, this last buying candle. Okay, supply zone. You would enter from here. Your stop loss will be minus 2 pips. Many people would say this is our order block. No, this is not, because we don't have inefficiency. Here we have inefficiency. Okay, let's mark our inefficiency. And we swept liquidity right here. So this will be our last trade example. So let's see. Let's wait. Okay, I'll go to a higher time frame so we can move quick. This is how to stack up the trades, okay? Boom. Look at this, beautiful. This is our 8 plus 8. This one, 6. 6 plus 6. 8 plus. This was our 10 plus 10. Easy. This was our 12. 12. 12. Okay, so 24. Sorry, guys. So this is our 24. And this was our 4.5. It's amazing, guys. Like, from 60. Maybe in one day. This is amazing. That's why I like lower time frame confirmations are the like best and have power, because this trade gave us plus 4%. These confirmations gave us 24 plus 10, 34, 40, 48%, okay? Bro, you know how much 48 is in a 100k funded account? 50k. It's amazing. So I hope you understand, and please practice more and do back tests and see how like lower time frame confirmations work with higher time frames. Always mark higher time frame order blocks, supply and demands, and then wait for mitigations, and then execute your trades on lower time frame and stack up your trades just like this. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions you can DM me on my Instagram. So see you guys in chapter 2.